Tuo mar choke kod fuondi mag del osebedo ka kelo midhiero n'oganda e pachoka, to e okenge mang'eny lakteche mathiedho tuoni maonge yath kod sindan mong'ere kaka chiropractors tin mokalo. Lakteche 7 kende ema sani nigi lony e thiedho tuochego e pachoka. Kata kamano kwan gi nyalo medore kaluwore kod mbalariany mar Eldoret koriwore kod mbalariany mar Life University manie piny Amerika makoro osechako chenro mar puonjo somono.
Kenya mang'eny itimonegi bero mar chogo ka gimuonyo yedhe okang' kokang' mondo duoknegi rem chien. Gino ma jolony e weche fuoni wacho ni ginyalo yudo kony kokalo e thieth mong'ere kaka chiropractic, ma en thieth mageto rieyo fuoni kod chogo ma ok gitiyo kod yedhe, sandan kata bero.
The real benefit of chiropractic is that they look at health differently. It's a hands-on natural approach that assesses the body's ability to function and regulate itself so that it can express health to its fullest potential.
And I've been using chiropractic, my children, myself, my entire family. Our first method of taking care of ourselves in terms of health is chiropractic first. Medicine comes later, and we have seen tremendous results. So,
Laktar Kandi Rotich maya e piny Amerika maben jang'wech mong'ere wacho ni thiedhni en makende kendo moyiedhi ne jo Kenya kod jong'wech duto kendo biro konyo gi chungo tiyo kod yedhe ma jonyo fuonni.
There's a lot of issues with doping, and most of our athletes, when they get injured, the first thing that they do is traditional medicine, so they might be like in Europe, in Netherlands or somewhere, and their doctor or their agent there say, we have to put you on some sort of anti-inflammatory or some medicine to bring up the pain. But you don't realize you take those medicine, there's one ingredient in that medicine that will turn you positive for doping. And that is really a bad reputation for Kenya. And for the athlete, it's just the end of their life.
A natural healing process that can be assisted by a very professional chiropractor that engages in adjustments. And it assists athletes to heal fast.
Rotich wacho ni jong'wech mang'eny ng'wech tamo kaluwore kod hinyruok to thieth machal kod magi e yo mowinjore kodgi.
And then for the athlete, really, this is a win-win because as an athlete, I don't want to ever hear doping being positive on me. It's a nightmare. So if our athletes can utilize this, and I know most of the athletes have really utilized it and they like it. It's just like they don't have it here in Kenya.
University of Eldoret shall be the first university in Kenya and the broader East Africa to begin the program of Doctor of Chiropractic.
I'm sort of a proponent of alternative medicine. There are people who go for operations and surgery, which are not necessary. It's a matter of just aligning the back.
Kamagi timore, okang' mar resruok dhi bedo ne jo Kenya kendo konyo thoth jo Kenya mosebedo ka thagore kod tuono.
They have a lot of challenges, and some of them terminate their professions early in the health program.
Joyce Olo, Ramogi TV.
Dichuo moro